everyone! Today I will show you how to create a fun underwater animation in ScratchJr. In this project, we will animate fish, a crab and a whale to move in different ways. Let's get started. Open ScratchJr and start a new project. Tap the background icon and select an underwater scene. This will set the ocean theme for our animation. Tap the plus button to add a character. Choose a yellow fish and place it on the left side of the screen. To make it swim, add these blocks. Start block, move right, repeat to keep it moving. Add another green fish and make it move left. This is how to make a simple fish swimming code. Add another fish and make it move up and down. Using move up block, move or move down block, repeat block to continue the motion. Add a crab at the bottom. Make it move by using start block, turn left, turn right and move right with the repeat block. Add a starfish and give the same code of the crab. Add a whale to the top corner. You can shrink the size of the whale. To make it swim slowly, move right block add weight block to slow it down. Repeat block for continuous motion. And that's it. You have created your own animated underwater world using ScratchJr. Try adding more sea creatures or different movements to make it even more fun. Thanks for watching and happy coding.